Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Are you a complete newbie when it comes to trading and investing? You want to know more but you have no idea where to begin, and you certainly don't want to just give your money away to anybody? Well, in this video I'm going to share with you 3 of the best investment education websites that are free. So if you'd like to learn more about trading, about investing, you want to learn the basics, the foundations, and you want to get into this industry, and keep watching because I'm going to share with you 3 of the best resources that can help you to progress on your journey. And before we explore these sites in more detail, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button below this video, and let's jump onto the screens. Now, the first resource I'm going to share with you is XTB. Although XTB are one of the largest stock exchanges, Forex and CFD brokers in the world, they also have a variety of brilliant courses that can provide excellent value for free. XTB have over 170 hours of educational content right on their website. They also offer over 700 live streams or events throughout the duration of the year, as well as a range of masterclasses. So they really do have a variety of information when it comes to learning about trading and investing. So I'm going to log into my account with XTB and show to you exactly what you can get for free with them. So all you need to do to be able to access the free resources with XTB is to open an account. Now you can open a demo account by clicking this button here, and it's absolutely free. You don't need to pay for it, and that unlocks access to a lot of the courses. But if you want access to the full range of courses, you need to open a real account. Now you can do that for free as well, and you don't actually have to deposit any money. So you can go ahead and just create an account with them to access all of the educational material. And then if you decide to deposit some money and trade with them at a later date, then that's up to you. But here is my account with XTB. So this is their platform once you log in. At the moment I have got the real account selected, but you can choose from this drop down here whether you want to access your real or your demo account. Now they do have over 2,100 instruments available to trade if you do decide to use them as a broker. And I saw on their website that they have actually won industry awards for being the best broker for this year, for 2022. So they certainly do have a lot of features and a lot of benefits if you decide to use them as a broker. But sticking with the education, along the top here, we can see that there's a little panel, a little menu, news, calendar, market analysis, and there's an education tab. So I'm going to click onto that. And here is where you can access the majority of their masterclasses. Now there are a variety of courses here, and although I have my own foundations in trading, I have studied with different mentors and I've undertaken a few different courses, I can tell you from experience that this is a really good range of courses they have available, and the quality that they're providing for free is brilliant for beginners. So just to scroll through to share with you a few of them. I don't trade Ichimoku, but there is a course on that. It's a certain type of candlestick that you can trade. There is a course for your trading mindset, trading psychology, which actually are some of the courses that I am enrolled with them for, because you can never learn too much when it comes to trading psychology. But scanning through here, there are courses for creating a CFD stock portfolio, for trading stocks, top trading strategies, scalping stock indices, trading basics. So if you are a beginner, there is a basics course. The XTB Trading Academy is probably one of the best places to start because it is for complete beginners. It starts right at the beginning with what is Forex trading, what is CFD. It talks a little bit about how to use this dashboard as well. So if you do want to have a dabble and play around in the demo with free money, risk-free money, where you aren't going to lose anything, you can learn how to do that from here as well. And in fact, the XTB Trading Academy course is available to study if you decide to just open a demo account. You don't have to open a live account to access that one. There's also a course here of live trading workshop recordings. There's over 3 hours worth of content, which I think would be really interesting to get into as well, because it's always helpful, especially for a beginner, to see other people trading, to really see from beginning to end of what is involved and what the process is. And there's an investing masterclass, which is something else that I'm really interested in diving into. And just jumping back to XTB's website here, there's also a tab right on the homepage. It says Learn to Trade, and if you click on that, there is a knowledge base here, so you can look for certain topics if you want to look specifically for commodities, or if you want to really dive into investing, you can look specifically for that on their blog. And there are loads of articles right here that you can read for free that have a lot of useful information to really get you going on your journey. And there's also a tab for ebooks. So there are some free ebooks that you can download as well. There's a free ebook for technical analysis and there's a free ebook for fundamental analysis. Now I actually got both of those ebooks emailed to me when I created a free demo account with them, and they look really quite interesting as well if you are a beginner and you just want to get some resources to get going on your journey without actually investing any money into anything in particular. It's a really good platform to start from. And just before I move on, XTB also have a range of extra features that would be really useful if you do consider opening a demo or a live account with them. You do receive access to a dedicated account manager, so you can actually get one-on-one support from somebody who can help you along with your journey, even if it is just to learn at this stage. If you do want some education, if you open a free demo account, you can actually use your account manager to just help you to learn and give you some directions along the way. The platform itself is really easy to use, it's very user-friendly, and there are some extra tools that are helpful as well, such as access to a free risk calculator, news, and an economic calendar. So if you want to access these educational materials for yourself with XTB, I have got a link below in the description where you can find out some more information, where you can open your demo or live account and unlock full access to all of those materials and courses for free. Next up on my list of top resources for free trading and investment education is Investopedia. You may have heard of Investopedia. They're quite a large website and they have a lot of information on there. So I'm just on their homepage here, and there are two tabs that I want to draw your attention to. So the first is the education tab here. If you hover over there, there is a general access to some of the tools, such as that dictionary. Now, to be completely honest with you, I mainly go on Investopedia to look at their dictionary. If I am reading some news releases in the past, I've had to use that to actually find out what CPI is and what all these certain abbreviations or names are, because you don't know unless you learn and research answers to those questions. You can find some answers here on Investopedia in the dictionary. And then they also have some courses available. If you look under Academy, there are courses by topic. So they have trading courses, they have a separate investing course, and they have financial professional courses. And then there are also just some popular courses here, so if you want to look specifically at technical analysis or trading for beginners. Now there is a catch, and I'll show you what that catch is. If I want to click on trading for beginners, it says the service is unavailable in your area, and that's because I am here in the UK, so it's actually quite specific to where you are based. On the other hand, XTB that I shared with you just before is mainly for the UK, so depending on where you are in the world, some of these resources may apply better for you. So that pretty much brings my experience with Investopedia courses to an end. But if you are in the UK, you can still use some of the resources here, as I mentioned, the dictionary, and they do have a lot of information here on their blog. They've got access to some news as well for the different markets, whether you're looking for stocks or cryptos. My third and final resource to share with you guys is BabyPips. BabyPips.com is another website where you can access some free learning material to get you started on your journey trading. Now, it does focus more on trading over investing with BabyPips, and it takes you through the very basics, through technical analysis, through price action, and through fundamental analysis. So from the homepage on BabyPips, there are quite a few tabs here along the top. If I hover over Forex, and this opens the School of Pipsology, which is what they call the course with BabyPips. So I'm going to click on Start Learning. And here is access to the BabyPips course. So it's quite a comprehensive course, one of 11. It takes you from the beginning at preschool, and it basically levels up to kindergarten, elementary, and so on, gradually increasing in the knowledge base of what you are learning. Now, there's another catch with BabyPips. Although it does provide really, really good material, essentially it's just a very short bit of text per lesson. I'll show you what I mean. If I click on the first lesson, what is Forex, it just takes you through a very simple blog post style page. Whilst that could be really useful, and there are still a lot of really good material on there, sometimes you might just want to actually hear or see somebody explain it to you. I know I generally prefer to learn from videos rather from reading, but it is another resource that you can use to help you to develop the skills needed to be able to trade. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video showing my top 3 resources to learn how to trade or invest for free. If you have, be sure to let me know by hitting that like button below the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.